Welcome to Major Birds today. We got a very interesting story. This guy got locked up. He fought the police and he took their car. He's a real soldier. There you go. He's going. They can't catch him. He's making that cruiser do 140 miles per hour and more. There you go. There he go. Oh, he's swerving through traffic. He's moving. Yeah, wonder if they could catch him up. Yeah, he said he's not going to jail. He's not going to jail. This man is not going in a cell. Oh yeah, he's tweaking. He's making that cruiser bend. Two cruisers at it. Next cruiser can't catch the next cruiser. Damn. It's crazy. What would you do if you was on the run? We're waiting for a Major Pit. Major Pit. Oh yeah, he took that spin. Oh, he got them on a wide chase. Here comes the pit. Oh, the front tire is blowing up. Damn. And he still rolled it. Oh, he's still on the work. This guy's not giving up. This guy's not giving up. Oh, that tire's gonna blow out. Boom, another pit. Dan, they're just spinning this guy around like a top. Oh, he makes a run for it. Oh, he jumps the gate. That man's out of there. So long. Oh yeah, they gotta let go the dogs.